homemade high-protein drink for weight gain naturally. Today, I am going to share with you a recipe to make a high-protein drink that is effective for weight gain. This drink is delicious as well as healthful. If you are underweight and want to gain body mass, this drink is very useful for you. There are no side effects of using this protein drink. Follow the recipe shared below and make this protein drink for weight gain. Recipe to make high protein drink for weight gain. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 medium-sized boiled sweet potato, 1 tablespoon of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup full fat coconut milk or cow milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional. Procedure: take a blender and in it add banana. After this, add sweet boiled potato. After this, add protein powder. Next, add cocoa powder in the blender. In the end, add honey and coconut milk. Now, blend all of these ingredients and make protein drink for weight gain. How to use: consume this drink 5 days in a week after or with your breakfast for 1 month. It will improve your digestive system and body metabolism. Using this drink for weight gain, you will get your desired body mass. Benefits of protein weight gain drink. For weight gain, the use of banana is an excellent remedy. Banana is rich in carbohydrates. It also has high levels of potassium that helps in maintaining the fluid balance in your body. Banana helps in weight gain by boosting your energy levels. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A. There is also vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin B6 in sweet potatoes. Thus, the use of potatoes makes your bones healthy and strong also. It improves your digestion and promotes collagen production, which in turn gives you a youthful look. By increasing your levels of energy, the use of bananas helps in weight gain fast. Protein powder meets your daily needs for protein. It contains proteins from different sources of plants and promotes the growth of your body. Coconut milk is rich in fibers, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B5 and vitamin B6. It also has minerals such as iron, sodium, potassium and calcium. Coconut milk is also high in calories and therefore, coconut milk helps in faster weight gain. It helps in building your muscles and improves your digestion as well. If you want to get rid of your lean body in a healthy way, make this high protein drink for weight gain and have a healthy body weight naturally and fast.